The TOMLOV DM301 Pro Microscope features a 7-inch full-color IPS display that provides exceptional clarity, making it ideal for both children and adults during extended viewing sessions. With its wireless control and app support, this digital microscope offers seamless real-time viewing and media capture, enhancing its utility beyond that of a standard USB microscope. Achieving up to 1,200 times magnification, it is perfect for detailed cell study, thanks to its 3 premium achromatic lenses that capture intricate details of microorganisms. The built-in 8-megapixel camera and capability to record 1,080-pixel videos make this microscope stand out as it captures vivid details that enhance the learning experience. Its USB and HDMI outputs allow for effortless connection to larger displays like televisions and projectors, making it suitable for classroom or group presentations. Equipped with a dual LED lighting system, this microscope ensures optimal clarity for viewing slides and specimens with adjustable brightness to suit different lighting needs.